oftentimes your pliers will stop when you're 10% into the closing action, and it's just annoying. And so there's a quick mod you can do. You look at the double D clearance hole and you can drill it out, or you can grind it out and swap out the screw that has that double D profile with just a standard screw that matches the major diameter of the screw you started with. And that way you can either reassemble the pliers through one of those two cartoon eye sockets, and in one case it'll close all the way, in the other case it will close so the jaws are parallel, and then when you go to work you don't ever have to worry about them locking up on you again, and it just saves a minor headache. And then also I like throwing wing nuts on the back, because that way I can tighten them by hand real easily and control the level of resistance in the pliers. So just a tip for my mechanical engineers out there. Have a good one.